Hello, and welcome to our last module of the semester, Module 18. This is our last module. That means this is our last week of the semester. This is your last week with me and me with you. All right, let's see what we have to do. So, Monday, day one, January 25th. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. You will do a listening comprehension similar to the one you did last week. So you'll watch a video from friends and then you'll answer the questions that go with the video. That's it for async. It is a Monday. That means we have Zoom class. So let's go to sync. And two things, we would read some more of a picture of nobody and we'll play a game of would you rather and why. All right, that's it for our last Monday of the semester. Good luck.